Hello friends, I am your host K came back with a brand new video. Friends, as we all know, health is wealth. And to live healthy life, we do lot of things. We do exercise, we eat well, we adopt all those things which can improve our health. Friends, today I will tell you amazing health benefits of turmeric. Friends, to know about these turmeric benefits for a healthy life, you have to watch this video till end. Let's start the video. Friends, first of all, we will discuss what is turmeric. Friends, turmeric is a commonly used spice in daily cooking of Asian foods. Turmeric is yellow in color with bitter taste. The yellow color of turmeric is due to the chemical curcumin. Friends, the root of turmeric is widely used in different medicines. Friends, it is scientifically proven that the active compound of turmeric, curcumin, has many health benefits in many diseases like cancer, Alzheimer and heart disease. Friends, curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now friends, we will discuss 8 amazing turmeric health benefits. Number 1. Turmeric good for heart disease. Some studies shown that the turmeric is very good for heart-related diseases. Studies shown that the turmeric's active compound curcumin has the positive effect on the health of thin membrane of heart and blood vessels. Turmeric is good to lower the bad cholesterol and can protect from heart attack. Number 2. Turmeric is good to cure cancer. Friends, lab and animal studies shown that the active compound of turmeric is very helpful to stop the growth of tumor cells. Friends, the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin help to treat the cancer and slow down the spread of tumor cells. Number 3. Turmeric is helpful in the treatment of arthritis. Friends, as we know, curcumin has anti-inflammatory properties and this property can help to treat the arthritis. Friends, in Western countries, arthritis is a common problem. Arthritis is a very common problem of joint inflammation. According to many studies, turmeric is greatly helpful in the treatment of arthritis. Number 4. Turmeric has great effect in depression. Friends, depression is directly linked with level of BDNF, a brain-driven neurotropic factor. Active compound of turmeric, curcumin, helps to increase the BDNF level that reduces the depression. Number 5. Curcumin may helpful in age-delaying process. Friends, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric make it best choice in the process of age delaying. Number 6. Turmeric is great in skincare. Friends, the antioxidant and healing properties of turmeric make the turmeric best option in skincare. Turmeric is very helpful to treat the skin problems like acne, eczema and photoaging. Number 7. Turmeric may help in the treatment of diabetes. Friends, the active compound of turmeric, curcumin, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and both these compounds are good to improve the factors that contribute to diabetes. Number 8. Turmeric is good to control Alzheimer. Friends, turmeric may help in the treatment of common disease named Alzheimer. Turmeric can increase the level of brain-derived neurotropic BDNF that plays a major role to keep the nerve cells healthy. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and share the video to others. Thank you very much.